Hey folks, welcome back. I've got my supper. This is one of my old roosters that I canned up, and I put some cranberry herb mixture in there. It's really good, folks. I meant to eat this quite a few hours ago, but what I did was put it on the back of the stove on 2 canning jar bands, and so it didn't sit directly on the back of the wood stove, and let it warm up. So a few hours later, here I am eating my supper, right? So I've got some ducks down in the bog that are splashing away. But anyway, I meant to get out here way earlier than this, and I certainly meant to eat way earlier than this. Today's been really busy, crunched for time. It's been a beautiful day, folks. I started out in a sweatshirt and ended up in a t-shirt. I don't know what the temperature was today, but a lot of sun, no breeze. It was really nice. And now it's probably low 50s. So I won't be staying out here very long, but I did promise you a video. So I posted a video earlier, well, not too long ago, by the time it finished loading up, right? About homesteading and all of that. Folks, if you're going to accuse me of something or try to demean me or whatever, I will call you out on it if I think it's worthy. Most of the time I don't think it's worthy. But if I think it's worthy, I will call you out on it. That's just who I am. I'm that way on or off camera. I'm not bashful. I'm just not bashful, folks. So today I did the homesteading thing, right? Homesteading thing. And homesteading is really, really, really busy. It's insanely busy when you are trying to get established. It's insanely busy when you're trying to smooth things out so everything flows. And then it kind of drops back a little bit where it's not insanely busy, but it's extremely busy still all the same, right? This time of year especially, the firewood thing, and the only thing I've got left to dehydrate are some more cranberries, and I've got 2 horseradish root that I plan on shredding up and dehydrating them. And out of some of that, I will make fire cider, right? 'Tis the season for fire cider, folks. For those of you who know what fire cider is, you know it's the most, excuse me, the most disgusting thing. But it'll cure what ails you, folks. It'll cure what ails you. So, for those of you who don't know what fire cider is, you can just Google it. F-I-R-E cider. C-I-D-E-R. Not the way I pronounce it. I pronounce it like a Maine. Fire starter. Right? No R's in that at all. So that's what I've got coming up. I do have to get up really early in the morning because I have to be to work at 4. Next week I'll have to be to work at 3:30, and this is in the morning, right? And someone suggested that we start our work day at 3 o'clock in the morning. There was a lot of pushback on that. There was. Not just me either, my coworkers. So I guess it's 3:30, and well, it's 3:30 next week is when I left work last, so we'll see. So anyway, I'm just rambling. I just wanted to come on and say, hey, how you doing? I promised you a video. I'd like to keep my word. What I wanted to talk about, I'm going to run out of daylight, folks. And I've been so busy today that my fire is way down. So while it's way down, I'm just going to push the hot coals aside, take out the ash, and let my fire, put a few sticks on there and let my fire build back up. It's not that it's cold in there. It's not cold by any means. Matter of fact, I probably could open up a window, but it'll be cold by morning if I don't have a fire going at least into the night a little bit, right? And then close my window. So I know tomorrow is going to be exceptionally busy after work, and so isn't Tuesday. Wednesday looks like I might get a little reprieve after I get out of work. We will see. If you do not see a video from me, don't worry. Don't worry, everything is all right. And we'll see you. We'll see you next time. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for a lot of new subscribers. Thank you very much. And again, I hope I don't disappoint. I don't even know a lot of what I am going to talk to and talk about until I stand in front of the camera or cell phone and just talk about what's on my mind. It could be something that happened during the day. It could be something that I plan on doing, something I am doing. You know, I can talk all day on a certain subject or two. But I also know that I like to keep my videos 10 minutes long. Today was like half that. So, if there's something that you would like me to talk about, I would be glad to talk about that, as long as it doesn't get too personal, as long as it doesn't get too political. Now, if you were to come to my doorstep and you want to talk politics, I'd just soon do that. I could talk politics all day long, folks. I could. So, but anyway, y'all have a good night, and see you next time. Be good, and let's hope everything holds up, right? Scary times. Okay, thank you.